Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? This is your guy, Tanna, the bad boy of tech. And people, this is my 100% honest review of the LG Stylo 4 on Xfinity Mobile. Man, in this video, I'm going to tell you guys the things that I'm rocking with on this phone. Oh, hell yeah. But then at the same time, I'm going to tell you some things that I'm not so much feeling about this device. So enough of me yapping. It's time to make it happen. Let's get this review started. Let's go. First things first, let's start with the bad stuff. I'm about to tell you what I'm not so much feeling about this damn phone. All right, the first thing that I'm not feeling about this phone is this right here. This slow charging in 2018 for a $200 phone. Totally unacceptable. It takes at least 2 hours and 15 minutes for a full charge. That's way too much damn time. Man, the reason why I'm tripping about the fast charging is because last year, you guys remember, I reviewed this device. This device right here, I got for damn near, what, $30 at the time. But guess what? It got fast charging on it. And this is last year's entry-level device. So in 2018, hell no, for a $200 phone, not to have fast charging, that's something I'm definitely not rocking with. Let's get to the next thing. Now, the next thing I'm not feeling, as far as the camera goes, is the focusing on the videos. Just absolutely terrible. I'm talking about the worst focusing I've seen from any device that I ever reviewed. I hate to say it, LG, but it's the truth. I keep everything 100% honest on here. But will that make me hate this phone or say don't get it? Nah, that ain't. But if you're an up and coming YouTuber and you was thinking about getting a Stylo 4, and you know you're gonna do a lot of videos and everything, which takes a lot of focusing, I'm just letting you know that focusing on this camera in a video is one of its weakest features. Man, oh man, oh man. All right, let's get to the next thing. Okay, the next thing I'm not feeling about this phone, people, man. As far as the photo utilization and optimization on this phone, as far as the arrangement and everything, this phone doesn't have a photo gallery on it. Maybe it's an exclusive for the carrier or whatever, but I have to go into the My Files folder, then go into the DCIM folder and subfolders to access my pictures I take with this phone. That's pretty damn nerve-wracking, especially when there's hundreds upon thousands of devices out here with a dedicated photo gallery folder to arrange your photos easily. Come on, LG, this phone is $200. This is your top selling phone of your whole damn company. At least have a damn photo gallery, especially when you got the Stylus on deck and everything. Man, you gotta be on deck with it, man. Make life so much easier. Come on now. That shit's lame. And lastly, the thing I'm not feeling about this phone is the storage option. Man, this right here has 16 gigs of storage on deck for $200. There's phones that cost less than this that got 32 gigs of storage on deck. And 16 gigs of storage, even though it's expandable, true. Man, 16 gigs of storage, onboard storage is not acceptable. I'm sorry, not for $200. LG, what's up with that? That pretty much sucks. But people, those are the only things that I'm not feeling about this phone. Does that make me hate this phone? Hell no. Let me show you why. Let's go. All right, people. The first thing I'm feeling about this phone here, the Stylo 4, is the build quality. Man, oh man. This right here, for the price, is very, very well built. I know the back is plastic, but that's cool. But with the metal sides, USB-C on deck, the headphone jack, and the stylus right there, whatever right there, excuse me, it's pretty damn cool. Then with a 13 megapixel camera on here, which gets some decent pictures. Then the fingerprint sensor, yeah, this thing is pretty damn cool. But the thing I love the most about the build quality, let me see if I can let the light hit it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You see that carbon fiber effect right there? Oh, I'm loving it. Let me wipe this off a little bit. Yeah, this is a fingerprint magnet, people. You got to keep your microfiber cloth exposed at all times in a holster. Man, oh man, let me show you again. Look at that. That right there is some serious sauce. So the build quality on this damn phone, on the Stylo 4, gets a thumbs up from Tanna. Let's get to the next thing. Let's roll. Now, the next thing I'm liking about this phone most definitely is the battery life. It has a 3300 milliamp hour battery on deck, and people, trust me, I always got more than a day of battery life on this phone. So LG optimized the battery life on this phone very, very, very damn well. It definitely gets a stamp of approval for me. So man, if you're a power user a little bit and everything, this thing gonna last you. Yes sir, yes sir. Let's get to the next thing. Now the next thing that I'm liking might surprise quite a few people and quite a few subscribers that subscribe to me, because I'm not a pen user, S Pen user, or stylus using person, but I am a businessman. So as far as this LG Stylus or whatever, this boy right here is pretty damn solid. You wanna know why I like it? I do business transactions and I use the square reader right there. So when somebody go ahead and make a transition on it or whatever, they just flip the camera to the side, the phone to the side like that, sign their name, and be on their merry way. And then I look on my customer's face like, yeah, okay, I appreciate that. So they're really liking the Stylus, and so far, it's a wonderful surprise for me. Yes sir, yes sir. The next thing that I'm liking about this phone, people, is the screen. Yes indeed, people. Yeah, it's 1080p, LCD and whatever. It's not OLED or anything, but it looks pretty damn good, and it comes at a great size. Nice and big, yes indeed. I done watched videos and everything on this device. I use this as my daily driver since I got it. Man, this screen right here did not disappoint and everything. And usually LG got a bad rap, or gets a bad rap, for their screens and everything, from the bleeding of the screen and this, that, and the third. But so far on this one right here, on the Stylo 4, no damn screen issues at all. Yes sir, yes sir. Now the next thing I'm feeling about this phone is this boy right here, the 13 megapixel camera. Man, this right here surprised the hell out of me. I know in the beginning, I told you guys that I didn't like the focusing of the video footage and all that. That is true, that's still gonna be true. But as far as taking regular pictures, pointing and shooting and everything, this camera right here was surprisingly good. Is it Samsung or Pixel good? Nah, but it'll do, trust me. The colors come out damn near accurate and everything, and it did its job solidly. I really like the way that it picked up the blues in the sky and everything. It was really on point and on deck. You can click up below and check out my photo shootout / review, you know what I'm saying? And let me know what you think in the comments below that video. So this camera is definitely solid. I highly recommend this. Let's get to the next thing. Yes, sir. All right, people, the next thing I'm feeling about this device that's some straight heat is the call quality. Man, the call quality on here was surprisingly good. Man, everybody sounded very clear and very rich. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So, man, salute to LG on the call quality technology of this device and everything. Very, very solid. No drop calls, no distortion, or none of that. It probably was the damn network, Xfinity Mobile, which is a great one, but nevertheless, on this device right here, call quality gets an A+. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. And finally, people, the thing that I'm feeling about this phone is its overall value for $200, people. You get damn near everything and more that you can want in a budget device. You're getting a nice size, great build quality with a headphone jack, USB-C connected. Might not be fast charger, but it's USB-C. Then also, you get a stylus, very functional, and to some people might be useful. And look at that screen. Beautiful, right? Yes, sir, yes, sir. You're getting a solid camera. You get multiple ways of getting your damn phone. The fingerprint sensors on deck. You can use a passcode, a pin, even face unlock on here. You know what I'm saying, people? A lot of tech reviews don't mention that, but it's in there. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So, man, this phone right here is pretty damn good. It deserves something. It deserves my stamp of approval. So here it goes. It definitely gets the Dan Tanna stamp of approval. Put a stamp on it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So, man, if you're on Xfinity Mobile or whatever, and you're looking for a solid mid-range to entry-level phone, go ahead and check out the Stylo 4. Man, for $10 a month, this could be yours, no question about it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up, because that's official. Yes, sir, yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to hear the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.